Hi guys, Joe here. So if you see my channel, you know I like reviewing and experimenting with loads of different bushcraft stuff. So this is the Grim Survival Workshop cards. I do have a few of these. I used to get them monthly. With the monthly cards, you get like a deck of cards, and each card would have like various stuff on there, which I did like. I did save all these cards up. But now you can only get them as far as I know, when you get a Grim Workshop card. So I had a look around, and the Bushcraft store sell these, and these are deck of cards, so you can play around a campsite or whatever with your mates or keep yourself busy. But they also have loads of useful tips on the card itself, and the cards are well made. So I'm just going to show you a few. I don't want to show you the whole deck because it's a bit of a cheat there. But useful cards. Like I said, so if you like the Grim Workshop stuff and their cards, then you'll probably love these. Also, these will make a great gift idea as well for the camper person in your life and stuff. I bought these from the Bushcraft store. Paid full price. They don't sponsor me for anything. So this is just me showing you, another item. Buy them from them, not from eBay, because their store is cheaper than the eBay. I found them on eBay first, and I looked at the seller and I noticed that it was the Bushcraft store. I went there and it was like 3 or 4 quid cheaper. So again, just a quick one. Cool idea for gifts. Maybe you're a YouTuber and you want some video ideas. Pick out one of these and you can just do a video on it. Stuff like that. But another one out there, you might like it. They do ship worldwide, so like people like Shovel and the rest of the lot who are not in the UK, that you can buy these from them and they will ship them to you. So just another idea. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.